Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake for a friend of mine's birthday who I actually missed, but I asked her if she still wanted a cake afterwards, and she said she would be celebrating with some friends about a week after her birthday, and she would love for me to make her a cake. So this is for her. This is a colorful flowers cake. Let's get started. This is a 7-inch strawberry cake and strawberry Swiss meringue buttercream. If it looks different to you from strawberry cakes in the past, I chose not to use any food coloring this time. So this is what strawberry cake with strawberry buttercream looks like without food coloring. I filled the cake with slices of fresh strawberries. And I frosted the cake. I chilled the cake in the fridge for a while and worked on preparing some flowers in the meantime. I rolled out a bunch of different colors of fondant and cut out some flowers from each color and set them aside. I also cut out some green leaves. Then I frosted the cake again with more buttercream. Then I rolled out some white fondant and laid it over the cake. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I placed some green leaves randomly all over the cake. Then I started with the largest flowers, moving to the smallest. I placed the flowers all over the cake. Then I placed the smallest flowers along the bottom of the cake. I did 2 rounds of small 5-petal flowers and then a round of tiny daisies. Eventually, though, I ran out of the small flowers and I had to cut out some more. I think this cake turned out gorgeous. My friend was really happy with it. Happy birthday, Bonnie. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.